Welcome back. Today, we'll be taking a look at this integrated. No, wait. This combobulated? No, that's not it. Oh, it's disaggregated hyperconverged, also known as DHCI from HPE. Before we dive into DHCI, let's recap the benefits of traditional hyperconverged solutions. HCI is all about helping virtual machine admins improve deployment, scale, and management of their resources. HCI typically comes as an appliance that customers can scale out with. It works as a software-defined pool of resources across the compute, storage, and network stack with its own file system layer on top of all of that. Admins can easily deploy new VMs and utilize those resource pools. This technology made it easier to manage and monitor resources as well. But the benefits of traditional HCI also come with three critical trade-offs and limitations. The first being a performance penalty as you scale out with added latency that adds up over time. Then there's also complications and risks around hardware upgrades that require customers to shut down access to their data and apps for any kind of planned outages. And the third key trade-off is around efficiency. Traditional HCI requires a lot of over-provisioning. This is especially impactful to education customers as outside of maybe VDI, most apps and other workloads have non-linear resource requirements. For example, imagine if a school is planning to roll out a new multimedia program for students that requires access to new digital content. This would add significant storage, but minimal CPU overhead. In that scenario, with traditional HCI, the IT department would have to provision both CPU and storage resources together since they are dependent of each other. That results in multiple copies of the same data, which then wastes storage, and on top of that, you have the added VM tax on CPUs. Ultimately, the resource investment doesn't match the demands. There's a better solution. It's why you're viewing this video. HPE's DHCI broke the mold and created its own platform. Industry analysts are now creating a separate category called HCI 2.0 because of HPE. It won Best of Show at VMworld, and it's disrupting the market since it delivers HCI without the trade-offs. HCI 2.0 is made up of Nimble storage, ProLiant compute, and Mellanox switches. There's also some secret sauce running on the Nimble that puts it all together. The result is intelligence across the full stack, from storage to VMs, 6 nines of availability and super low latency, and the ability to independently scale compute and storage in a non-disruptive way. From a management standpoint, HPE ties it all together with InfoSight. This is HPE's market-leading AI and machine learning platform that Nimble customers leverage today. Think of InfoSight as another admin monitoring the infrastructure 24/7, alerting customers to potential performance issues, resource optimization, or even things like firmware or driver updates. Schools and universities of all sizes would benefit from DHCI. You can start the conversation with the primary VMware admin and discuss areas where they would like to improve. Discussing maybe if they looked at HCI before to improve management of resources, or leveraging automation to take back time to work on more important projects. You could also bring up the topic of growth, be it for short-term projects or just long-term changes. These are the types of challenges that universities and school districts face that DHCI can address. You also have the unique opportunity to help existing HPE ProLiant server customers with a seamless upgrade to HCI 2.0 with Nimble. ProLiant Gen 9 or Gen 10 server customers can use their existing switches and add a new Nimble storage array to transform their virtual machine management experience. They receive all the benefits that a new HCI 2.0 customer receives, including the native VMware integration, along with the added capabilities of InfoSight. You can work with your HPE team to discuss customers you believe could benefit from DHCI. The process is seamless, and we have collateral for your technical resources to review as well. In summary, DHCI, or HCI 2.0, is resonating with education customers that are looking to simplify deployment and management of VM resources. This includes a 15-minute setup, the ability to scale CPU or storage resources separately, along with intelligent management and seamless integration with vCenter, all wrapped up with a superior support team to enhance the entire ownership experience. Thanks for watching the video. I hope that it helped you understand the unique opportunity we have here in education with DHCI. As always, don't hesitate to reach out. We're here to help, and good luck to you out there.